Hello, good morning. Making new toys today. So I have this very hard, it's not like from the paper towel, so that would be very thin. There's actually a thick roll that is going to be really hard for Pepper to work on. And I have my drill and I'm going to make holes. So what I'm going to do now is like drill different holes, and then this way you can start to work on it. And then what I'll do is I'll stuff a nut all the way in the middle underneath, so I'll have to actually destroy the whole thing to get it. So now I drilled a lot of holes. I also drilled larger holes at the top so I can put a string through. So I just show you all the different places that I made holes in this thing. And now we're going to finish up the toy a little bit. And here we have it after the fact. So I made this little string at the top so that it can hold it. And then I filled up the holes that I drilled with some walnut. And then I stuffed inside all the way a wrapped up walnut. So this is a really hard paper. He's gonna have to work on it for a while. And here's Peppy going at the toy that we just made for him. Well, I really hope this will keep him busy for a long time today. Because the busier he is, the more he won't bite his feathers. And the more he'll leave my wife alone when she's cooking. And the rest of the family, but